What's up, guys? It's me, Gaming Neon here with Gamertile, and today we're gonna trying to get Paul first form and Paul second form. But please make sure to like and subscribe, and well, let's get into it. And he's not here. I forgot about it.
It takes long before he spawns.
And the lag in this flipping server or Wi-Fi connection is not good. Guys, make sure to go check out Gamertile's channel. We also post some Bloxfruits videos on that channel, so go check it out. The channel's name is The Gamers Broski, so just go check it out. Okay, but we'll see you guys when the boss spawns. Okay, guys, he finally spawned like in a year. It took so long, but okay, let's kill him.
Okay, I spawn in my tsunamis.
Yeah, spawn in your tsunamis.
Yeah, he can also.
And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, otherwise we'll send a tsunami after you.
It's gonna be a very big tsunami. You won't be able to escape.
Yeah, you'll die. Please get it. No! I didn't get it!
This is gonna take forever.
Now I need to, every time I need to cut to the next one. Why? Okay, guys, he finally spawned again. In another million years. But yeah, let's just kill him. You already attacked him, right?
No, I spawned my tsunamis.
Tsunami. I hope I get it.
It's taking ages and ages before you get it.
If I can just get it, it's gonna be so easy to get Paul V2.
Yes.
Why am I lagging? I'm lagging! Please get it. Oh, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Why? Let's just make sure. Because the screen, I can't even see what's... Yep, I did not get it. Okay, guys, see you again when we get it. Okay, so the ball spawned, so let's kill him. Please get it. I just want the Paul first form. The lag intense in the server.
You are lagging, but I'm not lagging.
Yeah, because your phone is better than mine.
So about that.
Yep. Oh, I didn't get it. It's gonna take forever. A million years. Okay, guys, we finally got Paul first form. But we're gonna go to second C and gonna get Paul second form. Me and Gamertile. He also doesn't have Paul second form. We already had Paul first form, but he can't get Paul second form on his own.
Yes, he's gonna be very struggling because there is fishes,
Yeah, piranhas.
that's killing us and taking over my boat.
Oh well. See you guys in second C. And I'm just gonna cut it like that. Okay, guys, we got in second C and with Paul first form. As you can see, Gamertile also has it.
Yes.
But now we just need to go and find rough seas.
Not the rough sea.
Wait, let me just go here.
Wait.
Yeah, hey, I'm whopping on water. Water.
The water.
Yes, the water. The lantern. Gonna need the big boats for in case there's gonna be sea beasts.
Yes.
We need to make a video on hunting sea beasts.
Yeah, then I need to equip the magma.
Oh yeah. Hey! Can I please just go on the... Just drive the boat. There we go. Just zoom out. Why am I lagging like this?
I'm also lagging.
Okay, let's hope we get it.
Yes.
Yes, from what I know, it's pretty easy to get.
Pretty easy.
Yes.
Pretty easy.
Yes.
You think it's pretty easy
Yes.
to get to the rough sea?
If you're trying to hunt sea beasts, it's actually like the most easiest thing to get.
Yeah.
Why am I turning like...
Why you drive so slow?
Let you drive. I think my phone is just laggy.
Alright.
Just drive forward.
Forward.
Yes. Until the top of your screen it says rough sea.
It won't go forward. Go forward. Go forward.
Jump. En then
Oh, okay.
you see.
She's gonna take long.
Now we just wait. Oh, here. Okay. Grip your pole. Jump.
I'm jumping. Whoa.
Come on.
It's hitting me, but I don't have pole.
Just stand still, maybe. Oh, I just got it. I just get it.
Just got it.
Stand where I'm standing. And just stand still, don't...
Oh, I also got it.
Okay, let's just see the visuals. Oh, it's...
Nothing changed.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. That's
Yeah.
some style, I see.
I think this gonna... No, I'm in the water. I'm in the water. I think this is gonna be my new favorite version. Look how you hold it.
I don't know if this is...
Why so many masses just for the first move?
Mishi? Oh, why did it...
I think we just drive away, my guy.
Oh.
It's right away.
Why 350 more?
Are you...
I need to... why am I...
Why are you lying down?
I'm sleeping down. But yo, look at this.
Bro.
I mean, just
Grab the cannon, we need to get out of the rough sea.
keep going.
You're gonna fall off.
Yeah, I know. That's what I just... Flip it!
Where are you?
Oh, I died.
Oh, no.
Doesn't matter.
I'm gonna go home. Whole second form.
Let's just check the visuals of it.
So it's not just one thing. It's
Yo. It looks great.
whoa, it launches you forward if you use it.
That's a minus point for me because then it's not good for
It is
grinding.
very fast.
That's a very fast M1, right?
Yes. I hope it's very strong.
Guys, comment down below if we're gonna have to make a video on fully mastering Paul second form and first form. Okay, but please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps to support our channel, and it helps making videos for you guys. And this was a lot of pain to get.
Very lot of pain.
I mean, Game of Thrones got the first try, Paul first form, but I needed to hope that boss for 1,000,000 times already. But please like and subscribe and comment down below if you make a video on fully mastering Paul first form and second form. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.